Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope: Gemini, May 21 to June 20. Today is Tuesday, May 28, 2024. It's all about being holy. Once, when the Lord Jesus Christ was about holiness, He said, "Love thy God with all your might, with your whole heart and soul, with all your strength. Then also love your neighbor as you love yourself." So the horoscope for the day is all about your service to God, your service to your very own self, and to your close proximity, or to the people whom you meet every day. That you will be required to look after your brother. When Cain was asked about his brother Abel, and he said, "Am I my brother's keeper?" We are all brother's keeper. We must think of our neighbor. We should not be careless about this, because at the end of time we will be judged by how we treat other people. Not condoning, but rectifying the mistakes of your neighbor, or doing something for your neighbor. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito ay may kinalaman sa pagpapabanal. Noon, sinabi ng Panginoong Jesucristo na mahalin mo ang iyong Diyos ng iyong buong isip at kaluluwa, puso, ng buo mong lakas, at mahalin mo rin ang iyong kapwa-tao, kagaya ng pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili. Ang tao ay nakakalimot tungkol sa ganitong kalagayan nila. Kaya nagkakaroon ng swapangan o walang pakialaman. Samantalang hindi iyon ang tinuro ng Panginoong Diyos. Gusto ng Diyos magmahalan tayong lahat. Sa horoscope na ito, tayo po ay kinakailangan kumilos, gumawa ng para hindi lang sa ating sarili, kung ito ay for the good of everyone, hindi naman ito dahil masama, ikalulugod yun ng Panginoong Diyos na lumalang sa atin.